today is the day. I have been struggling with this thinning hair situation for just about over a year now. That was from June. It is now February the following year. We get a curly cut, bro. I'm so excited. I don't care how low they cut this hair, bro. Rocking this like little puff. Didn't announce this, but I'm growing out these sides now. Let me stay focused. Hair's gonna be short. It's maybe, you know what? Let me not speak that. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I'm just gonna be like, yo, whatever you think works without making me bald headed, I'm cool with that. I'll see you guys when we finish. Okay, we're back. I have mixed feelings. So let's start with the good things. The lady, she was really nice when it came to washing my hair. She washed my hair, she scrubbed it. We had a whole consultation and everything. She was teaching me different stuff about my hair. And I learned two things that probably were contributing to the state of my hair. And I'll also show something on the screen of how my hair looked. It was rough. It was rough. Two things I learned. Number one, I'm using way too much oils on my hair. It is suffocating my hair. It is basically starving my hair of moisture. That's number one. And number two is I'm not getting rid of the buildup that I have on my hair from these oils. So I'm not clarifying enough. Now let's go over the issue. This haircut did not come out the way that I thought it would. I thought it would be like very, very coily, that you would define the curls and whatnot. So here's what we're dealing with. I know you see it here. It's not terrible. It's still short. But if you compare it, hold on. If you look close, if you compare it to where I was before, this is a lot of new growth. There's some shrinkage. It's doing a lot better than it was. I can't rush the process. But one thing I can say is I am excited. I feel like this is going to be the best comeback story ever. This is the greatest. 2026 is the year of the greatest comeback in history. I got my own homemade serum. I got my own homemade plan. Because if you go back to one of my previous videos where I was sad, bro. Oh my gosh. I feel like every video I was sad because I wasn't happy with my hair. I'm still not like super excited with it. I think what I'll try and do is I'll try and style it. And I might make a video on that. Split ends are gone. And if I get something like flat twists, we're Gucci, bro. If I get some flat twists, we're good. But I want to fix it with the curls. Bro, when I bring this back, if you think that this discouraged me, you are wrong. Even though the hair didn't come out how I wanted to, I'm glad that I have that gone. The damage is gone. We still preserve some length. And I'm happy. Because, brother, by 2027, with me growing this out, I'm about to be a threat. About to be a triple threat. Triple threat in this piece, bro. Hide your girl. Hide your mom. You don't have to hide your girl. Baby, if you're watching this, I didn't mean that. That was just a joke for the people. You know me and you, we like this. Yeah, fear for my life aside. I feel good, baby. We're going to style this. We're going to make this work. If it don't work, we put it in the flat twist and you won't see it till 2027. So stay tuned for the journey. If you want me to build you a custom hair routine for your hair type, your porosity, your budget, your lifestyle, the link for that will also be in the description. That's all for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.